Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our Android screen that we added to the Lexus RX 350 2010. This is the 12.3-inch Android screen that we replaced with the factory screen of Lexus RX 350 2010. You can see around the bracket how it looks like. There is no gap. It comes with a bracket. You don't need to add any bracket. It fills up all the spots that the screen used to be there. So technically when you're using the factory screen, you're using the joystick that basically that you used to use. But when you want to go to the aftermarket mode, there is one circle button here. By pressing on that and pressing home, it goes to the aftermarket mode. When you go to the aftermarket mode, the screen is fully touchscreen, so you don't need to use that joystick anymore. So you can use the touch. You can do wireless Apple CarPlay. So I connected to my phone wirelessly, and you can, as I said, use the touch screen. You can play videos. And also, if you want, you can download any apps that you like. And it retains the factory backup camera. On the other side, you can see the climate control controller. If you're in States, you can see it in Fahrenheit. So if you're calling from States, if you buy it from States, you can buy this unit and you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.